Hello student, today's session we are going to study experiment number 13, that is aim logic gates. Write a program and script a file that produces truth tables for NOT, AND, OR, NAND, NOR and XOR operations. Take A and B input as 4 bits. First one is a NOT gate has just one input and one output. Symbol NOT gate. Truth table, input 0, output will be complemented, that is 1. Input 1, output is complemented, that is 0. Logic expression, A is complement of Q. AND gate. AND gate has also 2 or more input signals and output is single. The gate has high output only when all the input signals are high, otherwise the output signal is low. Symbol A and B input, output. Truth table, input A is 0011, input B is 0101, output is 000010100 1 into 1 1, that is OR gate. OR gate is one whose output is high when only one of the input is high. Symbol A and B input and output. Truth table, AB input, output is Q. Expression A plus B is equal to Q. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 1 0. NAND gate. It is a combination of and NOT and implies an AND function with a complemented output. Symbol input AB and output. Truth table, AB input, output is Q. Logic expression, Q is equal to A dot B complement. OR gate. It is a combination of NOT or and implies an OR function with the complemented output. Symbol AB input, Q output. Truth table, AB input, output. Logic expression, Q is equal to A plus B complement. XOR gate. It has 2 or more inputs and one input. A low output occurs only when both the inputs are high. AB input, Q output. Truth table. Here 1 0, whenever there is one input low, then output is high. Logic expression, Q is equal to A or B. Double click on MATLAB icon. New window will open. In that file, click on new. In that script, write the program CLC which clears the command history. Percent means here is comment. Percent NOT gate. Here we are going to print the NOT gate output, so F printf, that is NOT gate. X is equal to 0 1, then output Y is equal to NOT of X. Percent AND gate. Here also same, F printf to print the output. AND gate. That is take A is equal to 0011 inputs, B is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now we'll write C is equal to A and B. That is, C is nothing but the output of AND gate. Next, percent OR gate, printf OR gate, now to display the output D is equal to A or B. Percentage NAND gate, printf. For each and every gate you have to display the output, so we have to write printf NAND gate, here E is equal to not of C, which is complement of AND gate, so not of C. Percentage NOR gate, printf NOR gate, NOR gate is nothing but F is equal to not of D. Percentage XOR gate, printf XOR gate. Now G is equal to XOR A comma B. So now save the file with the name gates I am writing here .m. Save. Now run the program. To check the output, go to window. In that command window, see here Y NOT gate Y10, C001. Each and every gate separate output is displayed here.